Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today in our Easy Breakfast series, we are going to make Khara Bhath, but we are using this Godumai Rava, also known as broken wheat or wheat Rava. For making the Khara Bhath, we will make a spice powder, also known as the Vangi Bhath powder. So for this, I am taking about 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania, 2 tablespoons of Urad dal, 1 tablespoon of channa dal, first we'll dry roast all these ingredients till they lightly change color. The dal should get a golden color, become a golden brown. At this stage, I am adding some more spices to it. This is known as Marathi Moggu. So, we will add this and a small piece of cinnamon also to it. And a few cloves, about 5 to 6 cloves. Roast these also along with the dal. Keep your flame low, you don't want anything to be burnt. Then remove it onto a plate. I have taken a spoon of oil, 12 of these spicy red chillies and 6 of this Bydagi or non-spicy or Kashmiri chillis, and just lightly roast them too. Out onto the plate. A teaspoon of oil, and I am going to add this Hing cube to it. Cube you can use the powder also, but I feel this adds a very good flavor. Just allow it to fry well in the oil. See, now this also has fried well. We'll take it aside. This cools down to room temperature. We'll make it into a powder in our blender jar. Masala, I am adding 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. It is a dry coconut or copra powder. I will grind it in 2 batches in this small masala blender jar. Vangi Bhath powder is blended well now. We are going to use only a very small portion of this today, but once it cools, you can store it in an airtight jar and use it for making your Vangi Bhath as rice or for your any dry sabjis which you make, especially with brinjal or potatoes. You can use this. The same pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds, channa dal, 1 dry red chilli, when the dals are well roasted, here I have 1 onion sliced, 1 green chilli and a small piece of ginger. Depending on the spiciness of the green chillies, you can take 1 or 2. This green chilli is quite spicy, so I have used only 1. And add a few curry leaves to this. Now lightly roast everything till the onions turn a bit translucent. Here I have 1/4 cup of frozen green peas, frozen or fresh, whichever you have, you can add. You can even add other vegetables if you have carrot, beans, cauliflower, whatever you like. pinch of haldi, that is turmeric powder, to it. Taken 1 cup of this Godumai Rava, wheat Rava or broken wheat, and now well together for a good 2 to 3 minutes till the wheat is well roasted. Now roast everything over a low to medium flame. Side by side, here I have kept 3 cups of water for boiling. So that is the ratio. For 1 cup of wheat rava, I am taking 3 cups of water. Water is boiling well now. Keep the flame in sim, that is low flame. Now add this boiling water to your rava, stirring it all the time. Added salt to it, so just add the required quantity of salt. 1 level spoon of this freshly made Vangi Bhath powder. Of course, you can store it, and whenever you make this, you can add it to any masala bhath, that is with rice, when we mix vegetables and make like a pulao. Then also this can be used. It can be used for all your dry sabjis. So store it in a nice clean, dry, airtight box, and you can use it as and when required. Cover it with a lid. Keep the flame from in low to medium, that is enough, and let it cook. It will take around 12 to 15 minutes. Now let's open it and see. See, most of the water has been absorbed. So we'll just give it a quick mix. Another 2 to 3 minutes and it will be done perfectly. It is nearly done now. At this stage, just add a teaspoon of ghee for added flavor and cover it. Cook it for just 2 minutes and switch it off. See, it is perfectly done now. Ready to serve it out. I have just greased a cup and inverted it here. Lovely steaming hot Godumai Rava Khara Bhath. My Khara Bhath, that is Vangi Bhath powder here for future use. And we really don't need any side dish, but here I am keeping a little bit of curd. Bit of our orange peel pickle. I have shown you this earlier on our channel. Lovely, sweet, sour, tangy taste. When you add water in this proportion of 1:3, it will taste very good when you eat it as immediately when it is hot, or if you are planning to eat it after 3 or 4 hours, carry it in your lunch box, then also it will be very good. It will not become too dry. So definitely try out this easy and healthy breakfast recipe. Share it with your family and friends. I am sure it will become a weekly recipe in your kitchen. I hope you are enjoying our present series of easy, healthy, tasty breakfast recipes. Thank you for watching the video. Please share it with your family and friends. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.